Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace spark plugs Honda Odyssey. Start by parking on a level surface and letting the engine cool fully, then disconnect the negative battery terminal and remove any engine covers to access the ignition coils. Label coil connectors to avoid mix-ups and clean the area around each plug to prevent debris falling into the cylinders. Work methodically from one cylinder to the next to keep parts organized. Gently remove ignition coil connectors by pressing tabs and pulling straight out to avoid damage, then unbolt the coils and set them aside in order. Insert a spark plug socket with extension and swivel to break each plug loose, turning counterclockwise until it comes free. Inspect each removed plug for fouling, oil, or abnormal where that could signal underlying issues, and compare readings across cylinders to spot patterns before installing new plugs. Verify the new spark plug gap with a feeler gauge and adjust as needed to meet Honda specifications, then carefully thread each plug by hand to prevent cross-threading. Use a torque wrench to tighten plugs to the correct specification, avoiding over-tightening which can damage the cylinder head. Reinstall ignition coils and connectors in the original order, reconnect the battery, start the engine, and listen for smooth idle and consistent throttle response as confirmation of a successful job.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.